Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have A is 2, B is 8, C is 43 and D is 45. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what we have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first because they have similar precedence. So now we have to go to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve bracket. So in this expression, we have one bracket, which is this one. So first of all, we have to solve this one, 70 divided by 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. Multiply 2 raised to power 2 and then plus 5. And here we have to give the reference like 14 divided by 2 equals to 7. Now move forward. Step number 2, you have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So we have here the 2 raised to power 2, which is a number which has the power. So we will write like 70 divided by 7 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 4 plus 5. Again, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 2 raised to power 2 equals to 4. Now we have solved the exponent part. Now we have to go for division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go here. What we can solve here. Basically, if you are using the BODMAS, so you will say I will solve this one first. And if you are using the PAMDAS, so you will say that I will solve this one 7 multiplied by 4. But no, the rule is same for both. You have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So first we have 70 divided by 7, which is equals to 10. Multiply by 4 plus 5, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 70 divided by 7 equals to 10. Now again we have to solve same rule. We will go left to right and find out multiplication and division. So now we have 10 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 40 plus 5. Here we have to write this 10 multiplied by 4 equals to 40. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 45. The answer of the given expression is 45. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.